Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, hi, I'm Aishwarya Gupta. So today I woke up and I randomly thought to myself that I am so happy in my life and I really want to do a talk video with you guys. So if you guys are busy or something, this is just me talking about myself. Yeah, I'm pretty self-obsessed, so you guys can like just skip it. So today I'm gonna be doing my first talk video. It is kind of on positivity because I just feel that all I've heard, all these reels I see, it just says that like a lot of you all get a lot of mental breakdowns and are just like nervous, anxious, sad, depressed. I know heavy words, but that's what sums up teenager life, right? And I think my friends, my family, and my YouTube and all of this has a very big impact on my life. But again, I feel that it all comes around me. Like it all depends about how positive I am, because back in 10th grade I had the same family members, I had the same support of my friends and just everything. But I was very negative. Like I used to literally pinpoint that like, oh my god, that chick wears so much makeup, and now I'm just like, shit, that chick is so beautiful and I love her makeup, you know. So just the thing that how did I go from that to that is just that before I did not like myself, so I could not like others because I was jealous, I was insecure of how gorgeous others are. So I just feel like now that I am so confident, so um, sorted, is that it's all it's all self-confidence. Okay, so one theory that I think I use, or I think everybody should use, is that I think everybody has had one crush that they were like madly in love with and simping over completely. Like you just look at him or her and you go like, yeah, right, yes. So even though that crush was maybe not that amazing looking, maybe not that amazing a person, still you like them for no reason, literally unconditionally. So that is how I feel you should like yourself. Even if one day you're not looking pretty, it's okay. You didn't give a shit how your crush looked, right? So why do you give a shit of how you look, right? And even though it used to hurt you in any kind, you still used to go back to being like, oh, so cute. So even if I do something dumb, even if I put up something stupid, and then I realize that, oh, this is really stupid, it does not make sense. Sometimes I do feel dumb, but again, I feel like, oh, I'm so cute. I look at myself as a person who is amazing. And I know this is very self-obsessed, but trust me, this is how you'll get through things. You have to love yourself. I am in no place to giving y'all advice or telling y'all about positivity or just any kind of strong or heavy topics. I'm just a small YouTuber, that too like very small, but I just feel that like that's how you should treat yourself. And if supposing I'm having bad thoughts, try to make the bad thoughts not turn into a bad day. I know it's okay, supposing if your parents scolded you or something, um still that 10 minutes of sadness shouldn't ruin your whole day. And I think one more thing that makes me really happy is productivity. So if today I'm productive, if I have completed my schedule and maybe done a little more extra, and it may not be only study wise, it may be uploading my YouTube video at the right time, it may be exercising, it may be anything, but just not laying around watching Netflix, just doing something that is good for you, or maybe even painting, maybe reading a book, anything that makes you happy and makes you feel that you did not waste the day. At the end of the day, reward yourself. The whole day, work hard, do something, and then at the end of the day, be like, oh yes, I did it, and now I'm gonna be happy about it, right? So that makes you feel so good. So I think one point is that. And secondly, I think talk to yourself. I know, kind of crazy, but talk to yourself. Don't look for validation from outside, look for validation from yourself. Go in front of that mirror, stand there, look at yourself, and be like, you are gorgeous. Ish, you are the most beautiful girl in this whole world. Or guy, whoever's watching this, I'm sorry. But yeah, just go in front of the mirror and stand and talk to yourself. And if you feel like you did something wrong, if supposing you hurt somebody or you were mean to someone and you just feel bad about that and you really want to rant that I was wrong, don't go to your friends. Trust me, don't rant to your friends. I know they're there for you, but don't. Talk to yourself. Because once you go in front of that mirror, you talk to yourself that, Ash, you are a bitch, you did this wrong. Then if you type the same thing to your friend that, shit, I'm a bitch, I did this, and then they give you sympathy, and you know you don't want that sympathy, because later when you're done with that whole guilt feeling, you're gonna be like, oh my god, I'm an attention seeker. So don't go for that. Okay, that is one thing that works for me. I don't know, okay, like if I'm in like a bad state or something and I want to rant, I don't waste my friend's time, I just rant to myself. And about negative comments and everything, trust me, it's not gonna affect you if you like yourself. Affect you. I get one hate comment is to 50 positive comments, which is really good. I'm really happy. But even that one comment doesn't affect me. It does not, because it's just increasing my reach. That's all I think about. And I know sometimes some things people say that that just like attacks your insecurity. I took a long time to get over my insecurities, and a big hand is of my Jai Hind friends, because they're just the kind of people that support you even if you did something wrong, even if you're the wrong person, they still go like, it's okay. And also about criticism won't even affect you if you love yourself. So I think everything that it is sums up to loving yourself, believing in yourself. One more thing, if you ever feel like, if you ever are having a bad day or something, try to get ready. It makes you feel so good. Put on a good outfit and say that you don't feel good. Okay, so I don't know how to do makeup, but I'm sure makeup feels the same, right? So try makeup, or just put on a good outfit. And guys, you can put on black t-shirts, that always works. The last point I want to talk about is expectations. Don't keep expectations. I know you have expectations from your friends and stuff, but I know that is trusting them, but just I feel that no, you don't need to keep expectations. Once you have expectations, and if somebody does not reach those expectations, you hurt for no reason. Okay, so, and if supposing you don't have any expectations and somebody does something for you, it feels the world. And about finding validation, if you're ever feeling low, if you ever want validation, ask for it. It's not a big deal. That's what I do. And if you don't want to, like, obviously soundless ask for it, send them your good picture, send them one of your good picture, and be like, how do I look? You will get validation, trust me, you will. Okay, every day I wake up, the first thing I do is I greet my parents good morning and I give them a hug. And obviously it's a parent's hug that just feels so safe and so good, and I think that can just make your stress, anxiety, or any kind of negative feeling go away. It's parents. I don't even know why am I talking about all this, but this is how I feel that I make myself feel better. But if you guys have watched it till the end, please comment that you have, because I don't get to know if you guys like the video or not. So yeah, instead of texting me on Instagram, text me on YouTube in my comment section. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Let me know in the comment section if you want more talk videos. This was just a very random video that I'm making. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna put this up, but if this is up, yay. So yeah, thank you. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for all the positivity you all spread, and I just love you all.